Hello everyone. This presentation is done by Professor Satish Fatangare from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. In today's session we will discuss about convenience foods. Today the term, convenience food, is widely used in the catering industry. This is probably due to the rapid progress in food technology over the past decade. It can be defined as any types of food where some stage of preparation has been completed beforehand facilities, further cooking in less and in more convenient way. In this slide we will talk about processing methods of convenience foods. Processing methods of convenience foods are 1. Accelerated freeze drying. 2. Additives. 3. Aseptic canning. 4. Boil in the bag. 5. Dehydration. 6. Instant freezing preservation. 7. Preservation. 8. Smoked preservation. 9. Spray drying. In this slide we will discuss about accelerated freeze drying method. By using high vacuum techniques it is possible to produce specific conditions of temperature and pressure which create an ideal condition for dehydration of food without collapse of cell. The foodstuff are treated so well so they improve texture and retention rehydrating potential. This process is very costly and it's lead to increase in cost of production. For example, frozen peas, cauliflower, spinach. In this slide we will learn about the additives process. Non-nutritive substance added to food in small quantity to improve its appearance, flavor, texture and storage properties. For example, natural vinegars. In this slide we will learn about aseptic canning process. A newer development in canning is designed for those products which are adversely affected by heat within sealed containers, products like fruits. In this slide we will discuss about boil in the bag process. A convenience entree or vegetable commodity portioned items are packaged in special plastic bags, sealed then frozen. To reconstitute, the unopened bag is dropped into boiling water for predetermined period. In this slide we will discuss about dehydration process. A method of preservation food by reducing the moisture content to such a level that microbe cannot grow and reproduce. The method used depends on the food. For example, pulses and leafy vegetable. In this slide we will discuss about Dehydro freezing process. A method of preservation where the moisture content of certain food is reduced by 70% then quick frozen. Because the cell do not collapse, the product has good texture retention. For example, beans, peas. In this slide we will discuss about freezer burn process. In any frozen storage room there is a steady removals of moisture from unprotected foods which may result in unpleasant irreversible change to the color, texture, flavor, and nutritive value. In this slide we will discuss about instant freezing preservation process. Method of preservation using liquid nitrous oxide at 128 ppm below zero. By gently flushing food through nitrogen, freezing is almost instantaneous, production very tiny ice crystals, so important of good texture retention. In this slide we will discuss about spray drying process. A method of dehydration food by spraying a slurry of the commodity into a hot air chamber, which dries the material immediately forming a powder. Good dehydration properties and nutrient retention in milk, dried soup and instant coffee. In this slide we will learn about smoked preservation process. This process is applied to a wide variety of raw and prepared foods. When used with fish, usually the fish is salt cured before smoked. Further examples relation to smoked sausages, meats. In this slide we will discuss about the advantages of convenience food. Reduced operation cost. Reduce food production time. Less space and equipment is needed to produce basic items. Operation cost can be reduced because of less labor. Less waste, less spoilage of food, less storage and less cleaning. Advantages of convenience foods are, an unexpectedly high demand can be accommodated more easily using convenience foods. Wastage can be reducing considerably, particularly in situations where menu items are coated or reheated straight from the freezer. Portion control is made easier by using a specified portion size. Many items are available in single portion size. In this slide we will discuss about disadvantages of convenience food. We cannot get natural freshness through convenient product. If frozen food not stored at adequate temperature, it will affect on color, texture, flavor, and nutritive value. Convenience food can be used only for the specific period. The cost of many convenience foods are higher than that of the fresh foods in season. Thank you.